Imagine you're taking a math test and you need to multiply two big numbers. Doing it on paper might take a while, but when you press two buttons on a calculator and hit equals, you get the answer almost instantly. How do calculators work so quickly? Long ago, people used their brains or wrote out calculations by hand. It took time and sometimes led to mistakes. The invention of calculators changed the game. These handy devices are like tiny math magicians inside a small box, using their special tricks to solve problems fast. Inside a calculator, there's a tiny computer called a microprocessor. Think of it like a super quick chef in a kitchen full of ingredients. When you press the buttons, you're giving the chef a recipe to follow. For example, if you type 25 by 17, you're asking the chef to mix 25 and 17 in the multiply way. The microprocessor doesn't actually know math the way we do. Instead, it uses electrical signals, tiny pulses that flow through thousands of tiny switches called transistors. When you hit equals, these switches change on and off in patterns that represent numbers and their math rules. It happens so fast because electricity travels super quickly, almost at the speed of light. The calculator's memory saves your numbers, and the processor follows instructions to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. It repeats simple steps millions of times per second. That's why you get answers right away. So next time you use a calculator, imagine an army of busy chefs and messengers working inside, making sure your math is speedy and correct.